Mama, it says make a password. Can I use 1234? It's easy.
Would you give your lunch sandwich to a stranger?
No way.
Well, your password is like your sandwich. It's yours. And you should make it strong so no one can guess it.
Like a sandwich with chocolate, jam, cheese, and pickles?
Hello, kids! This is your Captain AHS. Have you ever seen a strange pop-up on your screen or gotten a message from someone you don't know? Just like we lock our doors at home, we need to protect our devices too. Let's find out how to stay safe in the digital world and outsmart the sneaky cyber tricksters.
Oh! A dancing unicorn! It says I want a free tablet!
Stop! Sorrow, don't click that. That's a trap.
A trap? But it looks like a fun prize.
That's what it wants you to think. Some things online are not what they seem. This is part of something called, drumroll please, cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity what now?
Cybersecurity means keeping your computer, tablet, and personal info safe from bad guys on the internet. It's like wearing a helmet online.
So, it's like locking the doors in a video game world so the villains can't come in?
Exactly. You need to protect your stuff, like your passwords, your photos, and your messages, from hackers and tricky pop-ups like this one.
Whoa! That unicorn wasn't so cute after all.
No! Rule 1 of cybersecurity. Don't click weird pop-ups or links from strangers. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is.
Thanks, Hasib. From now on, I'm keeping my cyber helmet on. Mama, it says make a password. Can I use 1234? It's easy.
Would you give your lunch sandwich to a stranger?
No way.
Well, your password is like your sandwich. It's yours. And you should make it strong so no one can guess it.
Like a sandwich with chocolate, jam, cheese, and pickles?
Exactly. A strong password is long, has numbers, letters, and symbols. Like Mina 0v$3 on $1 corn dollar.
Who are you talking to, Emra?
Oh, someone named Fluffy Dragon 52. We met in a game.
Be careful, Emra. Online, people aren't always who they say they are.
But she says she's 8 like me and loves cookies.
Still, you should never share your name, school, or address online. Even your pet's name can be a clue to strangers.
Yikes. So how do I stay safe?
Only talk to people you know in real life and never share personal stuff online. It's like locking your front door.
Baba. My tablet keeps popping up this message, update now. Why does it keep bugging me? It's annoying.
Ah, that pop-up is your tablet asking for its super shield.
My what now?
Think of your tablet like a superhero. But even superheroes need better gear to fight newer villains, right?
Like when Super Fox got a glowing cape in Season 3.
Exactly. That glowing cape? That's like an update. It gives your device new powers to block sneaky cyber villains.
But what kind of villains are we talking about? Like laser eyes and robot arms?
More like invisible bugs called viruses and hackers. They sneak in and mess things up, stealing info, crashing apps, even freezing the screen.
So when I click remind me later, I'm saying, no thanks, I'd rather fight bad guys in pajamas?
Plus, updates can make your tablet faster, give you cool new features, and fix those weird glitches.
Okay, then. Next time I see update now, I'll say yes, please. Give me that shield.
Now it's time for the quiz. What is cybersecurity? Option A, a game on the computer. Option B, a way to protect computers and information from danger. Option C, a type of video editing software. Option B, a way to protect computers and information from danger. Which of these is a good way to stay safe online? Option A, sharing your password with a friend. Option B, clicking random pop-up ads. Option C, using strong passwords and not sharing them. Option C, using strong passwords and not sharing them. Why should you update your computer or tablet when it asks? Option A, because it makes your screen brighter. Option B, because updates protect your device from new cyber threats. Option C, so it can play louder music. Option B, because updates protect your device from new cyber threats. Which of these is an example of a cyber threat? Option A, a virus that damages your computer. Option B, a picture of a cute cat. Option C, a new math game your teacher sent. Option A, a virus that damages your computer. What should you do if someone you don't know sends you a message online? Option A, reply and make a new friend. Option B, ignore it or tell a trusted adult. Option C, send them your password. Option B, ignore it or tell a trusted adult. That was fun! But guess what? There's something super important we all need to learn next. Ever wonder how to keep your secrets safe online? In our next adventure, we'll unlock the secrets of password safety. Don't miss it! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.